Hello, I'm Nobel Dev Nath, an accomplished video editor based in Bangladesh with 3 years of experience in the field. Proficient in industry-leading editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. I specialize in various types of video editing, including narrative storytelling, documentary-style editing, commercial and advertisement production, social media content creation, and promotional videos. With a meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to excellence, I collaborate seamlessly with directors, producers, and clients to bring their creative visions to life. My versatile skill set allows me to adapt to different editing styles and project requirements, ensuring that I deliver compelling and visually captivating content every time. I thrive in fast-paced environments, managing multiple projects simultaneously while adhering to tight deadlines. I am passionate about my craft and eager to leverage my expertise to elevate your projects to new levels of success.